So one of the things that we talk about in the Agripreneur book is how do you start to gather information to support agripreneurs? And I think this is a really important area about being able to identify, gather, and systematize information and being able to share that with people efficiently. Now, this takes real expertise. Gathering information is complicated. Being able to analyze it requires certain skills. And then being able to share that in ways that people can actually make decisions is a really important skill that a lot of traditional agricultural services have found difficult to do. Now, I think there's a lot that we can learn from the consultancy world in this, and there certainly is a lot that we can learn from the research groups that are working on this process of gathering information, identifying opportunities, being able to synthesize information into clear results, and then being able to convey those results to the client, in this case, the agripreneur. So when it comes to analyzing information, there is obviously three key areas. The first one is around technologies. What is the technology or the product that you're working on, and what is the market opportunity or the value addition that you're looking at? There is a lot to be explored in finding ways of improving productivity, improving processability through that kind of analysis. I think the second area of analysis that is really important, and I think is an area where traditional rural advisory services have not really done well in the past, is this whole area of market opportunity identification and also business model development. So here again is an opportunity for us, or rural advisors, to work with people in the business sector to help us with basic approaches to analyzing markets, being able to understand who are the key players in the market, gather that data, and then report that back to agripreneurs, in the sense that if we can identify different types of markets, we can give them an idea of where their next opportunities are. And I think the third area is around policy. Now, this can be private sector policy, public sector policy, or quite frankly, local policy. Now, this again is the rules of the game. And when you're gathering information about policy ideas, we're really seeing what are the key bottlenecks for people to grow more of a particular product in terms of, let's say, seed. How do they get the right seed? Are there any impediments to them getting seed because of policy situations? Same with markets, same with distribution, same with accessing finances. Are there particular policies within a region which are causing challenges or slowing down business growth? Who are the people involved in making those decisions? And how can rural advisory services link to research organizations or link to think tanks, gather the right type of information to be able to make a good case to a policy team about where they are today, what the opportunities are, and how we can best see ways of making changes that support everyone. So when we're looking at information, there are many different aspects of the research that we can be doing. What we need to do is match the right type of information analysis to the clients that we're working with. And whatever we do, we're having actionable results from that type of analysis. So really keeping things practical and keeping things in the realm where an agripreneur can really understand what that analysis is saying and that they can make a change in their business to support and promote the work that they're doing.